All right, Drew and RLny. Here we go. Box 6. Here we go. Commander Cody. Nice. Mace Windu. And, oh, Zidane Ithano to 199. We got, looks old school. It's either old school or animated. Just the photography looks a little bit like cartoony. It's our animated. Asu. I was like, I couldn't tell if that was like just like really grainy background photo. Asu. Christopher Sean. The only ones I don't know is animated. I've watched almost everything Star Wars related other than animation, so I'm not familiar at all with that side. Asu. RLny.